Did you bring this?
What? Just put it in the...
Yes, I will.
Maybe I'll take my pen.
At the end of every chapter, a new one begins. This is a story about the start of a new chapter in my life.
I've been looking for someone to put up with my bullshit. I can't even leave my bedroom.
For the past 6 months, I've been living at home, feeling uncertain of what my future would look like. Fast forward to now, I just got accepted into nursing school in LA. So Gianna and I are packing up our lives and heading down to sunny Southern California.
I was feeling Whitney, me and my homie sick Houston. Cars and pros thought I was winning, knew I was losing. You told me to wake up, but my clock always stays on snoozing. I'm done. So each their own and find peace in knowing ain't no it's broken.
Right now we're heading down to LA. About to move into the apartment. I'm excited. Let's go! Woo! Bright and early, pretty early right now. It's like 9 a.m. And it's pretty gloomy outside too. We got Gianna following us in the back. And about a little under 5-hour drive. So let's get it. Let's get it. Alright, right now we're at a stop getting some gas. Bro, gas here is hella expensive. It's almost $6. At home it was like a little bit over $3. Yeah, we're almost to LA, less than an hour away.
Why is the best things have to be so bad? Pulling back, I'm parked outside. Why is the worst thing where we end up at? But won't you figure it out for me? Wasting dollar signs, 40-hour drive, just to waste some time with you. Need a friend, need someone to help me. Want you to love.
Gotta inspect it, you know, so that if anything's broken.
No, we don't have to pay for it.
Whoa, what is this?
Cutting board?
What the?
Is it? No, that's not a cutting board.
Are you sure?
Is it?
Maybe not, just like the cover.
A cover?
But why would you need to cover this?
Maybe for like the knives. Oh shoot, forgot to bring you guys knives. You should tell Dad.
Did you bring those?
Oh, I didn't realize.
Oh, that's okay. We could just file. Shit. How the hell do you open this one though?
Press it. Ooh.
Oh. Wow, that's cool. Okay, cool.
I've been on this earth for 23 years, but I feel like my life is just about to begin.
Had a dream, I was high, holding on to the sky. But I heard your voice and stopped myself from falling. There'll be days, there'll be nights when the stars don't align, and the sun can't even stop the rain from pouring. So lay with me and let time just pass by and don't let go. 'Cause all I know, this life is crazy, but it led me to your love. If you come on me forever, I will come. No matter what, baby, the only thing I'm certain of will be diamond when I'm golden.
Wait, that one's different though. It has stripes.
Yeah.
Because my mom also has a duvet cover, and it's white.
Dude, I feel like if we come up on this, like, we should get it.
But this is not that one.
Dude, I think it's the same thing. It's just the design.
Okay.
On the past, just remember that you're all I've ever wanted. So lay with me and let time just pass by and don't let go. 'Cause all I know is life is crazy, but it led me to your love.
After moving to a new city, it's mandatory to make sure there's good boba around. Apparently, Bon Bon Tea House is a local spot, so we had to try it out. And it was honestly pretty solid. We'll for sure be back.
It's just because it's like really sweet. It tastes like normal.
When the golden days are done, no matter what, no matter what, it's only us. Yeah, no matter what.
The next morning, Gianna's dad arrived with all of our stuff packed in the Sequoia. And it's finally time to move everything into the apartment and officially make it feel like home. Just as we were unloading everything, the delivery man showed up at the perfect timing with our mattress and bed frame. That goes on the back of this. You just put it in and then once.
Okay, you do it then. Unfold it. Click this.
Hold it, I clicked it.
Okay. Are you serious? we were like trying to long already done. we were just like, okay, let's build it. You could have just done it yourself.
Yeah.
Okay, I think there's like a Velcro, right? Or something? Yeah, there's Velcro. Yay!
Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. First sit. First sit test. Yeah.
Yay!
Yes.
Left on a broken note, you heard your love. I skipped the skin off on the only strand, but it's okay. You've had enough. Getting on your own, getting on your own. I never had a thing to pull from. I'm just so everybody tells
It isn't a proper move-in vlog without a trip to Ikea. This Ikea honestly felt way bigger than my local Ikea back in the Bay, and it's always refreshing to have a new experience.
Go get the card number.
Yes. third day, we stopped by at Costco to grab some groceries and essentials. Like most of us, over the holidays, I've been slacking in the gym. Our new apartment has a 24-hour gym, so we had to check it out and get in our first workout of the year. So when I graduated from UCSD 6 months ago, there was a lot of uncertainty. I didn't really know where I was gonna end up, but we're here now. We're in LA, and there's actually crazy fires right now, so I hope everyone is staying safe. But aside from everything that's going on, I have a really good feeling about this year. My new life's about to start, and honestly, I'm just ready to lock in for school, locking in the gym, and post more videos. And it's crazy, it feels like vacation. Like after this, I'm about to go home, but this is home now. Well, at least for the next year and a half. So I appreciate you guys for tuning in once again, and hit subscribe. We're almost at 6K subs, and apartment tour coming real soon. So peace.
Wait, what?
This small satellite.
Oh, supposed to be disposable.
Yeah, I'm thinking like, is this Spanish or something? Disposable?
It's